Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
Gloria, oy.
You're Alex.
I'm Alex.
Alex the man.
No, Alex. Alex.
Murag private road kay Alex.
I'm sorry, man. I don't know how to spell Alex. I can't pronounce it, man.
Yok, are you okay? Are you feeling well?
Ate yan, ano mas biyoso? Nosebleed man sa kuning duha.
Yan, ako pabuta na. Pinsa. Ako sa yung transmitter dere. Wala.
Nakainom na ba ko? May nakainom na ko?
No, bye.
No. Wait.
If I'm drunk,
If you're drunk,
I cannot drive.
you cannot drive. No.
I cannot drive, you know.
No.
But
You can drive even you're drunk.
why not? I'm drunken master, you know.
Drunken master.
Hidden dragon.
Best friend. Wadod ka.
Ako.
Hindi na ako pukalaw ng best friend.
I'm
just laughing. No comment. Ayun na, yun.
No comment.
Ayun na. Di pa lang nalikat ka nila. Speechless. Dan, you can see.
I'm Eugene. Eugene is my name. Eugene. Remember? Eugene. Y-E-O-G-E-N-E. Eugene.
Dol na rin, dol. Dol. Da.
Cute ba? On camera, action.
Eugene is going to discover.
What? What?
Discover.
Very discover.
I don't know why.
Oh my God. I pick up. You're not from student, right?
Tol. Sabay na next time, ha?
Why not? If others can do, why can't I?
Alex, that's my motto. Motorola. Nokia.
You know, man. You know, man. I think after you know,
You know, man. What a man.
No, you don't hit. You don't hate.
Again.
You hate mathematics.
No.
Ah!
I hate both English and mathematics. I don't like that subject. You know that?
You know what? Filipino is the best. Woo! The best.
Guto, it means food. Guto is food.
Napudpud.